Do you have high blood pressure, diabetes, hypertension, or constipation? Gaining popularity in the West, bitter leaf is a natural plant that originates from Africa and has been used for centuries, typically consumed by drinking the bitter liquid juiced from the leaves. This plant delivers a powerful punch of antioxidants that have now been studied and scientifically proven to reduce your risk of breast cancer and type 2 diabetes. And that's just the tip of the iceberg. But who wants to consume a glass of bitter liquid every day? Well, we have another option. Taking a bitter leaf capsule instead of drinking or eating the leaf is the best and most effective way to get all the medicinal benefits of this amazing plant. Provide your body with vital organ support, maintain a healthy circulatory system and cholesterol range, and support your immune system with this amazing superfood known as bitter leaf.